Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we have an interesting project to work on today. Ever since Color Shift pearls were released years ago, we've always gotten requests for people who want to do color shifting wheels. Now, color shifting wheels using our pearls and our DYC top coat can be done using the quartz and the pre-vol sprayers and little bits of pearls here and there, but it's a little bit cumbersome. I'm going to show you today a very turnkey, easy way to get color shifting effects on your wheels. Enjoy the video. So here's what we're using today, guys. These are the Plasti Dip Chameleon or Color Shift aerosols, and they come in two different colors, blue, green, and silver turquoise. We're actually going to use the blue-green one today, and it is an awesome, gorgeous blue to green color shift with pretty intense color shifting properties. Now we're going to use a black base coat down on the wheels before we use the Chameleon aerosols. There's one thing I want you guys to watch out for with these aerosols. You know how when we use white powder color shift pearls, I always tell you guys, be careful, because if you put too much on in one area, you can get an uneven effect, or if you put too much on overall, you can get kind of a whiting out effect. These utilize a white powder color shift. So make sure you go coat by coat, and you're going to try and evenly coat the wheel and distribute the pearl properly. And then once we get a full solid amount of color, we're going to step away and stop, because we don't want the pearl to start whiting out. It's pretty easy to use. I just wanted to make sure you guys were aware of that before you jumped into the project. Let's go. All right, guys, the wheels are done. Pretty easy install. Again, you want to spray the pearl until you get full, solid saturation and color coverage, and then just step away. There's no benefit to overdoing the pearl with these specific products. Now remember, the Color Shift or the Chameleon aerosols come in blue, green, and silver turquoise. Very unique colors. They may not be for everybody in every application, but if you want wheels that are going to stand out, something different to make a statement, this is a really, really good option for you. Now, if you want to dip your wheels in this color, click up here. It'll bring you to the color shifting wheel kits. If you have any questions at all, you guys know what to do. Chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or call in, because we really enjoy talking to you guys about your different projects. Now, let's go outside, check out the wheels, see how they turned out. It's Fonzie. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.